Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can get notifications of Snapmap.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon. After that, select gear option and now tap on the notifications option. After that, scroll until you can find Spotlight and Snapmap notifications option, and once you do, toggle on the button beside it, and that's it. Now Snapchat will notify all of the Snapmap and Spotlight notifications.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.